Okay, like I said, I'm getting a little better at the before videos. Empty building. We're doing a little clubhouse today. Not a big deal. I can probably finish today. Contract says 2 days, so if the designers want me for 2, they got me. Should be pretty straightforward.
We don't glue anything.
Why is that?
Because it is like more of a commercial space, so we just don't do that. We'll do that more of our model homes.
I noticed in the models.
They're not just down either. Because most of the time, if you're touring the models, it's going to be like someone's going to be with
Oh,
you.
move this, don't like this.
Window treatments came a little late, so I'm not gonna make this video. And I will be off to another project by the time they arrive, so this is our finished video.